Stop letting hot leads go cold. Let's transform your ad form submissions into instant WhatsApp conversations. First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard and navigate to the Integrations section. This is where the magic begins. Now, find and select the Facebook Ads integration. If you don't see it, check the available app integrations and look for Facebook Ads. Next, you'll need to connect your Facebook ad account to Aisensy. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Aisensy to access your ad account and the relevant forms. Once connected, choose the specific ad form you want to link to your WhatsApp automation. This ensures only submissions from that form trigger the message. Now, craft your WhatsApp message template. Personalize it by using the variables to pull in data from the form fields, like their name and email. Enhance engagement by adding a button. Options include a call to action or a redirect to a specific web page, making it interactive. Finally, activate the automation. Make sure the status is switched to on to ensure the WhatsApp messages are sent automatically after each form submission. And that's it. Now, every time someone fills out your ad form, they'll instantly receive a personalized WhatsApp message, boosting engagement and conversions.